Are cheap dental implants abroad worth the risk? I'm Dr. Ash, I'm a dental implant surgeon, and I'm here to answer your biggest questions about missing teeth and dental implants. So, this is a really complicated question, and it's such a hot topic at the minute where people are flying abroad all over the world, mainly in Europe, to get dental implants on the cheap. So, I want to start by saying I don't have anything particularly against any set of dentists who work abroad. Some of the best dentists in the world come from various locations in Europe, for example, Turkey, Bulgaria, France, Hungary, and they are phenomenal at what they do. However, if you are going abroad to get treatment done by these esteemed surgeons, you'll notice that the price range for their treatment is equivalent, if not slightly higher, than the treatment that you can get in the UK. So, why am I talking specifically about cheap implants? The reason I'm talking about that is because usually for most patients, that's the biggest pull. Nobody really says, oh wow, I want to go to Italy to get implants done that cost the same in the UK. There's no pull for that. But if they're half the price, in some cases a third of the price, that is the pull. So why is it that we advise so strongly against this? Well, to be put quite simply, it's just very, very difficult for you to maintain those implants. In my opinion, the chances of your implants lasting for 10, 15 years, which is what we expect our implants to last, is highly linked with your ability to look after them, but more importantly, you getting regular implant health checks by your implant dentist and their hygiene team. If you happen to fly 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 miles in order to get that health check, you're not going to be able to do that regularly, it's not financially worth it, and your implants ultimately are going to be neglected. And if there's something wrong with them, and we can't pick that out right at the beginning, your condition is just going to deteriorate further and cause you problems. It's exactly the same as if you were buying a car, let's just say from BMW, and you decided that I'm going to go all the way to Germany, and I'm going to buy a car from BMW. But Germany is the only place that will ever service your car. If you think about it in the long term, that's a very, very costly process to get that. And if nobody else will touch your car or look after it, then you've got a big problem. It's exactly the same thing that we're experiencing. People are going out, they're getting cheap implants done without the proper assessment, without the proper analysis. They're done quickly, they're provided with teeth that sometimes don't fit properly, and before you know it, you've got a problem. And that's the issue with getting cheap implants done abroad. Is it worth the risk? Definitely no from me. Hope that was helpful. If it was, please subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next video.